Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are very fine. Now start we exercise 1, page 18, class 7th. Today question number 7 start. If u is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, dash dash 9. A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 8. And D set is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the sets. Find the different values, different parts. Part number 2 A union D. Part number 5 A complement, and part number 10 D difference C. These question number 7 are the same for question number 6. So we start solving. Part number 2 A union D. First A, then A set. Write A set 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Union D set 4, 5, 6, 7. You know that union all the elements of two sets. Write all the elements of two sets. These are the answer. 0, 2, 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the answer. Next part number 5. A complement. Complement means minus of u. This set is minus from u. U minus A. The A complement U minus A. B complement U minus B. First U set. Write the U set 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Minus A set 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You know that complement or difference means non-common elements is the answer. Non-common elements 0, same numbers are cut there, 0 cutting. 1 is non-common, write 1, 2 cross, 3, 4 same as cross, 5, 6, 8. Remaining are answer 7 and 9. These are the answer of A complement. Part number 10 D difference C. This symbol is show difference. First set D. D is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus C set 1, 2, 3 and 8. So this all D difference C. Uncommon number, non-common numbers 4, not here 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the answers. Let's start the question number 8. If A set is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and B set is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Find different values are find. These are questions are same as 6 and 7. First part A union B. Second part A intersection B. Third part A difference B. And fourth part B difference A. First part A union B. Write A set 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Union. Write B set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now you know that union all the elements of two set. Start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the answer. Second part A intersection B. First A set 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Intersection B set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Answer intersection You know that intersection all the common elements of two sets. Common elements are these sets, not any numbers are common. So this answer is empty set. Empty set. No element of the set. Third part A difference B. First A set 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Difference minus B set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Answer is A difference B. Non-common elements. These numbers are not in this set. These all numbers are non-common elements. So answer is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Last part number 4 B difference A. First B set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Difference A set 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. B difference A. Now write the answer. Look that no any numbers are common in two sets. So answer is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. I hope you understand all these sort of question. You know that union all the numbers of two sets, intersection all the common numbers, difference all the non-common of two sets. I hope you will understand exercise number 1. Thanks.